everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fidget spinner using mechanics. So without any further ado, let's begin. So for this project we're going to be needing 2 A7 pieces, 2 A5 pieces, and 2 A4 pieces. So we're also going to be needing these 2 flat tires and this rod. We're also going to be needing this bolt and nut box. If you want, we're also going to be using this screwdriver and this wrench. So let's begin. For the first step, we're going to connect these 2 pieces just like that. Got that? Just like this. And now we're going to be doing the same thing with the other A7. Let's take out a nut and bolt. Now that we've got this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross these 2 pieces just like this. Alright, now we're gonna take this A5 piece and then we're gonna join it just like this. So let's start. Just take this A4 piece and join it like this right over here. So let's start. Put one of these pieces right here and then take a bolt and put it right over here like that. Join it. Join it just like that. Next, we're gonna take another A4 piece and join it. Now for the last few steps. We take this rod and we put in one of these flat wheels just like that, and then we put this rod through this, and then we put the other wheel in here as well. Make sure to not make it too tight or not too loose. Make sure there's a bit of a gap just like this, and our fidget spinner is ready. And there you go, everybody. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you liked it and will make this yourself. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you do not miss any more videos. Thank you very much.